Okay, this is what I received today. I ordered from AliExpress 2.5 weeks ago, almost 3 weeks ago. There's riffles. Let's see the quality. So $6 for 20 pieces, I think. So the quality wise is pretty okay. So they are bearings.